All right, guys, so I want to go over the results of the survey that I posted for 546. And I had a total of 10 responses right here, but only a couple of people responded to each question. So, for instance, only 9 responded to the first question: is your credential in multiple subjects? I got a 33.3% yes and a 67.7% no. For the second question, it said, if your credential is a single subject, what is the subject? And the majority I got was for math. Second biggest was science, and then I had multiple subjects, and then also Spanish. But these three only had one answer. For third question was, are you enrolled in more than one master program? I had 8 people say no, and I had one person say yes, which is pretty impressive. And then I said, what grades do you wish to teach? And we got high school, SPED high school, K through third, 8th grade, K through second, ninth, sixth, kindergarten, and high school. Pretty cool. What was your first pick for graduate school? As a specific, obviously, that's the program we're in. Pretty cool. Do you work full time? I got 6 people said yes, and 3 people said no. And then I had, do you work for a school district? I got 6 said yes, and 3 said no. I wonder what they do. And then for this one, I said, what is the area for school districts that their schools are in? Majority are in Riverside. 3 people are in Riverside. I have 2 people in San Bernardino, one in Riverside County, and then that's all. Awful. This person said that they're in the San Diego Unified School District, and this one is Lake Elsinore, which is pretty far. But those are my results. Thank you.